Alright, so this is going to be an instructional video on how to tap regular beer taps and turn them into shift knobs. So I got the Stella Ortiz. It's still the stock thread. I'm not 100% sure what thread it is. Stock. Basically, you need your tap kit, so your little tap and one of these or a wrench, whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna rigging this up too. Hopefully you can see it. So just do this, and so you're just gonna get some cutting oil. If you don't have cutting oil, the good thing to use. What I used was just motor oil, whatever you have laying around. WD-40 ends up corroding the material inside, so I just use oil. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray some of this in the hole. Comes out like a foam, but I mean, you don't have to use it. I recommend it, but I haven't used it at all. So what you're gonna do is basically trying to get it flush in there. This is the process. This is the part that takes a really long time trying to get it flush. Some take a couple minutes, some take 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I think I got it there. Hopefully it's easy, but I've had some that take forever. A good way to check would be to so sit it like flat, like really hard to see. So basically sit it flat like this, and if you have like a flat top, just spin it, and you'll be able to tell if it's leaning too far that way or too far that way. You'll see this so go like this as you're spinning it. Just try to eyeball it. This one's good, so spray a little bit more. So yeah, this is a easy to get way to do it. Just put this in. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this. Like I said, I get away the camera just to make a quick little video. So I've done this to a lot. It's probably close to 40, 50. So I can say, I would like to say in order to do, so you just do a little bit, like half, go 1/8 of a turn, then you pull back, or 1/4 of a turn, then pull back. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. So you're going to be doing this until you can't go anymore in. Some of them are really hard, and some of them are extremely easy. This one's actually pretty easy. I sold this one for $50 with free shipping. I always include free shipping just to make a customer feel more comfortable with me. Since I sold these ones on, oops, sorry, shit. Just sold on Facebook. I also sell these on eBay just to make people feel a little bit more comfortable. It's going really deep in. It's really deep. I'm actually going that far. You're gonna get all these metal fragments. It's really deep. I feel like it's good. So usually what I do at that point is just take all the shards off the tap. I don't know what it's called. Tap bit. I guess I call it tap bit. Take all this crap off. The ideal method for taking the shards out of here would have been would be a compressed air is usually what I use. But I don't have compressed air, so I'm just sticking the rag in there. I mean, I do, but my son is asleep, so I'd rather not wake him up. So this one, $4.50 used. Like I said, I wear gloves because I really don't like to get the taps dirty. That's pretty much it. The new tap. Let's go over to another Honda. A majority of Hondas are 10 by 1.5. Oh man, I don't really have a light. Let me see what I use. Alright, this is my Coke and I don't even know how to say the name in. But a nice steering wheel. I actually wasn't trying to keep this Stella TVs, but I sold it. So I usually switch them out anyways, but these are, I mean, it matches my steering wheel, so the Stella would have matched it a lot nicer. Oh well. So yeah, there's a Stella. Wow, this thing's really nice. What else thing? Something like that. So it doesn't take too long. Stella Ortiz. I think this one would have matched the chrome a lot better. Oh, I wish it didn't sell for $50. Can't say no to $50. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'll leave my eBay account. So if you want to purchase one for me, I'm pretty experienced. I'm going to do this one. And then I'm going to do this Pacifico. Brian spanking you. So I mean, I'm not going to record that. I just recorded that one. Just to show you guys. So like and subscribe. If you like, if you want to see my eBay account, I'll leave it in the description. And you can purchase them. I always include free shipping. Shipped from Dallas, Texas. Alright, thank you. This is Alkin from EF and Lotus Riding.